Good morning. So let's get ready. I do not like doing makeup, but today I will, just for you. Gotta do my hair first because I just dropped off the kids. I'm looking rough and I'm not trying to look too crazy, so I did my hair a little bit. Here we go with the primer. This is Black Radiance and it feels so good on my skin. Oh my god. Oh, Too Faced. We got the Too Faced. That's feeling good too. It's the matte foundation. I love wearing it. I wear it every day, and you can use it as a concealer, which I did and which I usually do. I also use another concealer, which you'll see later, Madluvv, because I am lazy. I do not want to do my eyebrows, so I use that Madluvv stamp with the stencils, and it is doing its job. I'm telling you, get that thing. Oh my god, Scooby Doo. I love Scooby Doo. But it's a Scooby Doo kit. It's a limited Glamlite kit. It comes with a mirror. Oh my god, I love that mirror. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then we got blush. It comes with a lot more, trust me. And that's Ace Beauté. We got that for the concealer, Brazilian Glow palette. I love that for my eye makeup. You'll see that in the eyeshadow later on. So here we are getting started on the contouring. I'm going to do a little bit of blush on my cheeks, on my nose. I did my eyes. I'm telling you, get these products because, oh God. Yeah, that's, I got dry eye and the fan triggered it, so I'm correcting it. Now it's time to go into that good old eyeliner so I don't look like a naked mole rat. And then here we go with the eyelashes, the finishing touch. And this is such a natural look, I'm telling y'all. Like, I don't do makeup a lot, and please don't judge me because I'm not judging you. But when I tell you to have a cute, natural look, that's just what I like to do. I don't do too much. So if you're looking for something else, go on. This is it.